Watch the left side there.
Got it. Clear on this side.
Okay, next one is ready to go.
This ultra-realistic view shows how modern technology allows us to efficiently manage thousands of healthy laying hens in a controlled environment.
The data suggests a slight increase in metabolic activity on tray 4.
Yes, I've cross-referenced the temperature logs. It appears stable.
The floor temperature is stable at 90. The chicks are evenly distributed and active.
Excellent. I'll lock in these settings for the next cycle.
The flow rate is holding steady at 98% efficiency.
Excellent. That's within the optimal range we projected.
The temperature gauge is steady at 95. Good, the chicks look comfortable.
The automated sequence is flawless this cycle.
Yes, the safety parameters are all green.
Check the water pressure on this line. They seem a bit lethargic over here.
Noted. The intake temperature is stable, though.
Automation is key here, with systems managing everything from feeding to egg collection, ensuring peak efficiency.
Check the drum rotation speed here.
Looks optimal. We are clear for full capacity.
Just a little further up the ramp. Watch your step, nice and slow.
We're seeing 0 bypass on the 3rd stage brushes.
Excellent optimization. The calibration looks perfect. This batch looks good, uniform color.
Agreed. Passing these through to chilling.
Okay, easy now. All the way to the back wall.
Copy that. Watch your clearance. I need an inventory count on the lower level.
Okay, I'm showing 50 cases remaining on this pallet.